Hello guys, this is a quick video on the Mazda mx5 Mark III 2006. This one is just making a quick video in case your headlight bulb is gone. One of them. There's no point of trying to do it under the bonnet. You will have to take the wheel off and take this cover off. Well, I'll do at least 5 of them things. Plastic little clips, so you can get your hand in there, and that's where it is, that plug there. You need to get in there, disconnect the plug, you just pull it off. It's just 2 contacts like normal bulb, and remove a little rubber seal, and then unclip the bulb, and it will come out. I've just done it, it's all working now. The Phillips plastic clips, they need to remove. Just get enough space so you can pull it all the way and get your hand in there, and you'll see it's quite easy, but it is annoying that you have to take the wheel off. So yeah guys, I hope this was helpful and save you some time. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel, ask me more questions if you want to know anything about on the car. This is my girlfriend's car, so I can do videos on it whenever you like, so just let me know guys. I will be doing seal soon because it got a water leak in there, so I'll have to do that next. If you got questions for that, I can tell you what you need to do and how to do it, so let me know. Thank you much guys, and have a good weekend. Bye.